What's up, AP Econ students? This is not Mr. Clifford, but Alexi Cadota-Browner, and today we're going to talk about changes in supply and demand. For the purpose of this video, we're going to talk about the market for ice cream, and specifically Arctic Zero ice cream, which is actually my presenting sponsor for this video. Speaking of sponsorships, did you know that brand ambassadors can contribute to a shift in demand? Specifically, in the tastes and trends category, brand ambassadors can increase the demand of a product. On that note, make sure you keep an eye out for Arctic Zero ice creams the next time you go food shopping. This low-calorie, plant-based dessert option is delicious and is a great way to help you meet your fitness and nutritional goals. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video.
First up, we got the workers who produce Arctic Zero going on strike. Which curve will this shift and which way will it shift? Make sure you graph your response now. Did you say that supply would decrease and shift to the left? This is because workers are part of the input in order to create Arctic Zero ice cream. Next up, we have a recession that causes consumers' incomes to decrease. If Arctic Zero is a normal good, what will happen to the curves? Did you say that demand would decrease and the curve would shift to the left? If so, you're correct. If the price of whipped cream, a complement to Arctic Zero, decreases, what will happen to the curves for Arctic Zero? Did you say that the demand curve will shift right because of an increase in demand? This is because whipped cream and Arctic Zero ice cream go together like peanut butter and jelly. If the price of water and faba beans, key resources in the production of Arctic Zero, decrease, what will happen to the graph? You're correct if you said that supply would increase and the supply curve would shift to the right. What about an increase in the actual price of Arctic Zero ice cream? Will this affect the graphs? If you said that there would be no shift, you're correct. A change in price only affects the quantity demanded, not the actual demand curve. Do you remember this one from the beginning of the video? What happens if a fitness model shares that Arctic Zero is her go-to dessert? If you said that there would be an increase in demand and the demand curve shifts to the right, you're correct, and you have a great memory. What would happen if the government placed a per-unit tax on Arctic Zero manufacturers? Taxes harm the supply of a product, so the supply would decrease and the supply curve would shift to the left. Let's see some competition of ice cream. What happens if the price of Talenti ice cream, a substitute to Arctic Zero, increases? If you said that the demand for Arctic Zero ice cream would increase and the curve would shift to the right, you're correct. After all, why pay more when you can pay less? You've made it to the last problem. What would happen if the government establishes a binding price ceiling for Arctic Zero ice cream? The curves wouldn't shift, but instead there would be a shortage. This is because the quantity demanded would be greater than the quantity supplied at that price. How did you do? Leave a comment down below with how many questions you got correct out of 9.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that these supply and demand practice problems helped you to feel more comfortable towards your next test. As usual, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day!